I switched wide angle lenses, and that's what we're going to be talking about on this 4-Minute Friday. Intro. Alright guys, so I switched lenses. Why did I switch lenses and what did I switch to? So I typically shoot my landscapes with this Sony 16-35mm f4. I ended up purchasing this Batis 18mm f2.8. So why? I love the Sony 16-35. It's awesome. I wanted to have a wider aperture. So the next thing that I was looking at was the Sony 16-35 f2.8, but it is a heavy peg. And I do a lot of backpacking. I do a lot of adventuring where I have a lot of weight on my back. And so I'm always looking to go lighter rather than heavier. But, you know, the struggle was real. I really wanted a wider aperture. I really didn't want to add a lot of weight, and so which one do you do? So anyways, that was pretty much it. And then the Sony 16-35 f2.8 is really expensive, and so one day I was looking at this guy, this Batis 2.8 18mm prime, and it was really interesting. It's a lot lighter. It's about a half a pound lighter than the Sony 16-35 f4, and it's a wider aperture and it's cheaper. And I was like, wow, check, wider aperture, lighter, and cheaper. Why wouldn't I choose this one? And so the one thing that I was a little bit nervous about with it is I typically shoot all my landscapes at 20mm. That's just what I love. I don't know why my eye just goes to 20mm. And this is a prime at 18. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but you know, it's something to consider. And so anyways, I ended up going into my camera shop one day and they had this in their used cabinet, their used gear, and I asked about the history of it, and basically it was a brand new lens. The guy tried it out, didn't like it, and returned it within a couple months. And so I ended up getting basically pretty much a brand new lens at used lens price, and I saved weight and I got the wider aperture. So that was why I ended up changing. Let me show you without the hood. So that's the size difference. I mean, isn't that crazy? F4, f2.8, and it's lighter. What? So anyways, that was my decision, why I did it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys shoot on, what your guys' thoughts are. I would love to hear, you know, do you shoot on a wide angle? What one do you use? And yeah, I would love to chat with you guys. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Now you can understand why I switched lenses, and I can't wait to share the images that come out of that one. It's going to be so nice to be saving basically a half a pound, and walking around you barely feel it on the camera. I mean, the whole setup is so light with the Sony a7R III, that's super light, and this Batis is super light. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Click that like button if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to see more from me, and I will see you in my next video.